Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video. This one is for, I'm going to butcher the name if I say it, so it's written right here, Yamil A. Sorry. Anyway, this is a late model E series, so it's a Corona motherboard. It did require a postfix adapter, and it was a 4 gig motherboard, so it required an SD tool installation and stuff. It was fun to mod. We went ahead and modded it using the Matrix V1 muffin style installation, and it's been performing really nicely in this console. As you can see, we just got a nearly instant boot there, or first glitch cycle boot. We've got Freestyle Dash Dash Launch, XEX menu, Aurora Dash, all pre-installed on the console. You've got the backup disk, which has copies of your original NANDs, that sort of stuff. So definitely thank you for your business, and we'll get this thing packed up and headed back your way tomorrow.